Hello guys, in this video I will show you once again in this video as demanding from my last previous video, which is our services are experiencing high traffic right now, which is, I think it's really boring for anti-gravity users even though they are paying subscription. So all what you need to do, guys, first thing that you need to do, go for settings, go for the editor settings, go for the application, then update, and here please make it to none. This is the first thing that you need to do. After that you will restart it. After restarting, guys, go for it, and guys after that just go for anti-gravity, releases, go the first link, and then go for 1.25 version and go for Windows 64 one. So after that is gonna be wasting for the installation here. If you have an anti-gravity open, just close them and wait for the installation phase, and I will back when the installation phase is on. So guys, after the installation is gonna be launching the anti-gravity, press finish. So after that, once again, I will just wait a bit here for the linking. It's gonna be waiting, and once again I will go for settings icon, then press the editor settings, then go for the application, go for the update. It is still none. Okay, so here gonna be press hello, and there you go, guys. It's like working so fine. I'm good. What about you? Like this previous version is like crazy, crazy a lot. So I hope it's like gonna be helping you guys. So as you can see, they're generating like as a good. So there you go, guys. After that, it's good to deliver. It's go to go with it. Restart your computer after the installation. It's really highly recommended. I hope you liked the video. Please like, share, and subscribe the channel. Peace.